software. In this video, I will explain about the print format configuration and giving access to the user. In master setup, print template, I have created few print formats. Loan hypothecation, test role, and few other formats created in type loan. These formats are accessible in user management user list. I have created one user, that is agent. I click here and then I see that there is no print access given to this user. So when we say that no print access is given, it means that user is able to access all the prints. So I have logged in on another screen and I search loan. Here when I click on print, I can see that all loan related print templates are shown here. Now let me log out from here and give the access from merchant account, loan hypothecation, and let's say party ledger. I click update, click close. Now I'm going to relog in from the user here and I search the same loan and click print. Now we can see only the restricted print formats are accessible to the staff. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Jainam Software channel for more features videos and also share this with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Have a great day.